This week we were out in Lancaster installing a pretty serious residential solar system. And before anybody says, just throw the panels up there, yeah, that's not how this works. First, we mark every attachment exactly where the plans tell us, because if one rail is off, every panel after that starts judging you. Then comes everyone's favorite part, making holes in somebody else's roof. Don't worry, we're professionals. Every penetration gets flashing and sealant so rain stays unemployed. After that, we install the rails, check that everything is perfectly straight, and finally start laying down the panels, one by one, until the roof starts looking like it's charging itself. This system ended up with 37 solar panels and 2 power walls, so there was plenty of wiring to keep us busy. We ran the home runs, cleaned up every cable, mounted the equipment, and made sure everything was ready for commissioning. Because looking good is nice, but making sure it works the first time, that's the real flex. Another roof done, now on to the next one, because roofs don't install themselves.